Black Forest. We're glad to see you have escaped to the forest. Please lift up on your safety harness and exit carefully to your left and enjoy the rest of your day at Busch Gardens. Auf Wiedersehen! Boarding guests, please step carefully into the seats directly in front of you and hold the harness down over your legs. If you're not riding at this time, please take a step behind the line. The gates are now closing.
Kettle corn.
As a reminder, loose articles are not permitted. Please let go of your harness so it may be checked for you at this time. During your ride, please remain seated, keeping your hands, arms, and legs down and inside the car with your head back against the headrest. Remember, don't look back as you brave the Black Forest.
Oh, it's rough. Are you dying? What?
My stomach.
What?
My
You're gonna puke.
No.
Good.